Hello, and welcome to Adells. Today I'll guide you through a calm and gentle manual pump tutorial set in a peaceful morning routine. If you enjoy this relaxing kind of content, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more soothing guides. Morning is such a beautiful time to begin. The air feels fresh, the light through the window is soft, and your body is slowly waking up. This is the perfect moment to care for yourself in a gentle, unhurried way. Take a few seconds to notice the morning stillness around you. Find a spot that feels comfortable, maybe a chair near the window or a quiet place on the bed with pillows behind you. Adjust your posture so your back is supported and your shoulders are loose. Take a slow inhale, then exhale fully, letting your body sink into this calm morning energy. Before beginning, check your setup: your manual pump, a clean container, and some water or tea within reach. It's always easier to relax when you know everything is close by. Now, rest your hands for a moment on your lap, close your eyes, and imagine yourself surrounded by calm light. Pick up your pump and begin with gentle, steady movements. There's no need to rush. Mornings are about slow beginnings. Focus on your breath. Inhale slowly as you prepare, exhale as you squeeze. The rhythm of breathing and pumping together creates a natural flow. If you find your thoughts drifting, gently bring them back by noticing simple details: the glow of daylight, the softness of your clothes, the quiet hum of the home waking up. Let these little observations keep you grounded in the present moment. Pause if your hand needs rest. Stretch your fingers, roll your wrist, and maybe switch hands. This process doesn't have to be strict. It's about comfort and balance. Think of it as giving yourself both care and patience. Thank you for sharing this morning moment here on Adells. If this guide brought you peace, please like this video and subscribe for more comforting routines.